How Next Insurance protects you from copyright infringement claims in your digital designs. If you sell digital designs, a copyright infringement claim can hit you even if you didn't mean to copy anyone's work. And it can get expensive fast. Next Insurance offers general liability coverage that includes protection for advertising injury. That means if someone claims your template, graphic, or ebook uses their copyrighted material, your policy can help cover legal fees, settlements, and other costs, so you're not paying out of pocket. You can choose limits that fit your business and adjust them as you grow, so you're always protected at the right level. Pair that protection with PDF farming to automate your sales and delivery. Link for Next Insurance and PDF farming are in the description below. Get covered today and keep creating without fear.